Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Higgsfield AI for a clothing brand. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Higgsfield AI and then log in or sign up to Higgsfield AI and then go to images. Scroll down, you will see Fashion Factory, press on it. Now will be taken to choose a template, so you can select preset, choose a template or aesthetic for the photo set. You can choose street style or red room or any template, and then you press on next. You need to upload your character or create a new character. You press on it, you will be redirected to create a new character in Higgsfield AI, and then a photo will be generated, and then you can add your clothing to that character, and finally your photo will be set, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.